Hello, welcome back to our session. So I hope you all are doing well. So stay safe at homes and listen to our classes. And still, if you didn't share with your friends, please share with your friends and relatives, okay? And subscribe and press the bell icon, okay, so that you will get very good sessions in the upcoming videos. Okay, so fine. So we'll straight away move to the next topic, that is invertible functions, and I hope your teachers will be nicely explain the concept of invertible functions in classes. So we'll move to the problems. Let's see how to solve invertible functions or how to find out f inverse. Okay, so let f, this is the first question, f r to r be the function defined by f of x, which is equal to 2x minus 3. What is this symbol? For every x. This symbol is belongs to r. R is the real numbers. Okay. So we have to find f inverse. So we have given with, just concentrate on the function given to us. So the function is f of x. So I'll just explain in a simple way, okay, for your understanding. So first what we will do is we will just convert the whole function in terms of y. Okay. So for that, y equals 2x minus 3. Rearrange this to get the function in terms of y. Okay, so how it will come? So it will be y plus 3 equals 2x. I can write this 2x here and y plus 3 there, right? Both are same. So 2x equals y plus 3, x equals y plus 3 over 2. So what we got? The whole function, now it is in terms of y, right? So now the next step, finding out f inverse of x. So how to find f inverse of x? So what you have to do is just replace the y term in the function with x, that is x plus 3 over 2. This will be our answer. Clear? Our next question is, if a equals a b c d and the function f equals ab bd ca dc, write f inverse. So how to write that? So we have given with f equals ab bd ca dc. Is it so much confusing? So if f is this one, then f inverse will be inverting of these elements. Okay, how to write that? F inverse will be equal to, invert these elements, b comma a, d comma b c. Okay, a comma c, finally c comma d. Clear? We have inverted these elements. So b comes first, then a, b a, bd will turn as db, ca ac, dc cd. So this is our f inverse. Let's see the next. So this is our next question. If f r3 divided by 5 to r be defined by f of x equals 3x plus 2 divided by 5x minus 3, then what is f inverse of x. Okay, so while seeing this question, you will be afraid of like so many complex things are given. Okay, so don't worry, just focus on what is the function given in the question. Our focus is just convert that function in terms of y, then replace y with x. That's it. Okay, so this is the function 3x plus 2 over 5x minus 3. Y equals 3x plus 2 over 5x minus 3. Just do the rearranging. So y 5x minus 3 equals 3x plus 2. Okay. Now y 5x minus 3y equals 3x plus 2. So next we can group the similar variables. Okay, so see here we can have an x, here also we have an x. Okay, we can group them together, right? Last class I told how to group the variables, right? So here there is an x, there is an x. Okay, why we are not grouping like this? Here there is a y and with 3 also there is a y, but we are not grouping that. Why? What is the reason? Because if we group them together, what will happen? We'll just reach the beginning, the previous stage, right? If we group these together, what will happen? We'll go back to the previous stage and the same function will get. Okay, so we have to choose x as the common variable. So it will be y 5x minus 3x equals 2 plus 3y. Okay, next x we are taking outside, 5y, so x is outside, so the remaining is 5y minus, here it is 3. We need the whole function in y, right? So we have to make the rearranging accordingly. X equals 2 plus 3y over 5y minus 3. So what is the next thing? F inverse of x. We got x, now F inverse, invert it. So it will be 2 plus 3x. We are replacing y's with x. 5x plus negative. Yeah. Okay. So 2 plus 3x divided by 5x minus 3. Can you just look back here? Any similarity? Both are same, right? So that we can have one more line. F of x equals F inverse of x. So our next question is related with cosine functions. So here we have given with function f of x as tan x. Okay, so we are supposed to find out f inverse of 1. Okay, first for finding f inverse of 1, before that we should know what is f inverse, right? Let's find out. So f of x equals tan x, right? So first step is convert this function in terms of y. Okay, so x will be equals, if it is tan x, if we take tan to the other side, what will happen? This is multiplication. Okay, so tan x, if we take to the other side, what will happen? Tan will turn as tan inverse. So tan inverse of y. Clear? Keep in mind. So tan we are taking to the side, so it will turn as tan inverse. Now we got this. Okay, so what is f inverse of x? It will be tan inverse of x. Replace y with x. Clear? So our finding of inverse function is over. Our next step is to find out that f inverse of 1. Okay, that is replace x with 1, tan inverse of 1. Okay, so what value of tan will give us 1? So there is a chart, right? So tan pi by 4 value is 1. So we can replace 1 with if you need clarity on this cosine functions, okay, anyways it will come in the next chapters, but still if you need like the different values of sine, cosine, tan and all, you can leave a comment, okay, so that I will arrange the session accordingly. And here the one value will be given by tan pi by 4. Okay, so when two cosine functions, one inverse and a normal cosine function comes together, what will happen? Both will get cancelled. Okay, so our answer will be pi by 4. These are cosine operations. So tan inverse and tan, if comes together, both will get cancelled. Okay, so our answer will be pi by 4. Next question, f of x is 4 minus x minus 7 whole cube. Then what is f inverse of x? So f of x is 4 minus x minus 7 whole cube. So first step is rearrange in terms of y. So 4 minus x minus 7 whole cube. Okay, so we can take 4 this side. 4 minus y minus 4. Here 4 is plus, right? When comes this side, it will turn as minus. Minus x minus 7 whole cube. Now take this negative sign to here. Okay, so when it comes here, it will be minus of y minus 4 x minus 7 whole cube. So this will be, I will just write here, minus y. So minus will be multiplied inside. So minus y, and minus times y is minus y. Minus times minus 4 is what? As we already discussed, minus times minus will be plus 4. Okay, so we can just arrange it like 4 minus y. So it will be 4 minus y. Now next we have to take this cube to the side. Okay, so what will be the operation we have to do here? Suppose a square equals b. So if I need to find a, this square will move to the other side. So when square move to the other side, it will turn as root. Okay, root b. Similarly, if a cube equals b, then a equals what? Same thing, 3 root b. Clear? A equals this a to the power 3, this exponent 3, if comes this side, it will be 3 root b. This square root I can write either like this or b raised to 1 by 2, and this root and this raised to 1 by 2 is same. And here instead of this I can write b to the power 1 by 3. Clear? You can note down in the side of the notebook, so that will be there in your mind. So b to the power minus 1, not minus, b to the power 1 by 3 is similar to 3 root cube. Okay. Now, so to remove this cube, what we will do? 4 minus y all raised to 1 by 3 equals x minus 7. Okay, so next x equals, so this negative 7 will come this side, so it will be positive 7 plus 4 minus y all raised to 1 by 3. So what will be f inverse of x? 7 plus 4 minus x all raised to 1 by 3. So this will be our answer. Solve one more problem from invertible functions. So if f r to r be the function defined by f of x equals x cube plus 5, then what is f inverse of x? Now you will be solving it easily. So y equals x cube plus 5 excuse me. Now y minus x, you know how it comes, right? Plus minus equals x cube. So to remove cube, what will happen? Y minus 5 the whole raised to 1 by 3. Clear? Now what is f inverse of x? It will be x minus 5 whole to the power 1 by 3. Clear? Okay. So we'll see in the next session with the topic injective, surjective and bijective functions. That is the last topic from chapter 1. Okay. So from that topic we'll solve more problems, and also please leave your comments regarding the sessions and related to your the requirements, that like you need, if you need more classes or if you want to solve more problems like that. Okay, so we'll see you in the next session. Bye.